speaking, and to express my ideas of global civilization. Process for being in TED has been a great experience, and I encourage others to do it because it can help you express your ideas and also help other people express their ideas. I selected my topic because it's important to me to not only help communities in this country, but also at others, because one day we may need their help too. It's important for me that it's important that people join this program to, like I said before, help express their ideas and also have a community where they can help others and others can help them.
So ladies and gentlemen, her intended major will be drama. Intended college, California State University in LA. Favorite quote, "To live would be the greatest adventure," by Robin Williams. One thing I really want to say and highlight about this young lady is her dream includes the world. Her dream extends from the borders of Adams County, and when she originally came to TED Ed Club, she had like 5, 6, 7 ideas. I said, select one idea, and that one idea is what you will touch, move, and inspire the world with. The idea that she presents today stems from her STEM robotics competition, but most importantly, this is a humanitarian that is an asset within the Natchez Adams County School District. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to our own Mrs. Mathis.
Bonjour, hola, konnichiwa, aloha, hello, good afternoon. My name is Mathis. I'm a junior at Natchez Early College, and I'm in the TED Club. Today I will be talking about creating global citizenship. Before I get started, I want to talk to you about a recent trip I went on with my robotics team. Like as Mr. Didn't said before, I went to New Orleans with my robotics team, and we competed in one of the competitions that they annually have. While I was there, I was able to compete with robotics teams and against robotics teams. When being there with the robotics teams there, they helped each other, even if they were competing against each other. But they helped each other with supplies, information that they needed, or tactics that they could use out on the field. And while being there, it really opened my eyes to where these different people from different areas in the United States and also in other countries, to where they could just help each other and see a common similarity that they both share. While we were there, we competed against teams from South Carolina, California, Tennessee, parts of Mississippi, and even teams from Turkey and New Mexico. And while there, it just, like I said, it really opened my eyes to the similarities that they can help each other, even if they were competing against the other team. They can still talk to each other friendly and lend each other different parts if they need it. The first thing I want to talk about is water purification. Water purification is important because people in other countries are traveling and they travel along rivers, but the rivers are not safe for them to drink from. And with my first idea of water purification, it relates to STEM because what I was thinking, we could build like little stations to where it runs on solar power to take the water from the river, and whoever is traveling along the river can use their canisters to fill the water to fill the canisters with the water so they have a safe travel. And that's important to me because a lot of the water out there have diseases, bugs, and they are not able to live through it because the human body can live longer without food, but it needs water. And that's important because in America, we are kind of privileged because we can walk around parks or amusement parks and we have water fountains to drink from. But if we go to other countries, they don't have fountains, they don't have good wells to where the water is clean, they don't have good rivers. And so they're dying from bad water, and it's killing them off when we have the ability to help them. My next thing is creating shelters so that people can find a place to rest and to move on to the next destination. And also, if they just need a home to go to while they're on their journey and they just need somewhere to stay, then we can create more shelters, provide them with clothes, food, somewhere where they feel safe, loved, and they won't have to constantly live on the street or beg people for anything that they may need. And some ways we can do that if you are not in the STEM, some ways you can do that by donating small items like socks, or they have programs where you can donate hygiene products like toothpaste, deodorant, and that helps them. And also another thing that we're starting this year, NECA is trying to plan a trip to London. It's a STEM program to where students can fly out to London and participate in this program that focuses on all these different aspects of the project. And I think that is great because we need to travel, go to other countries because we need to see how their country works so we can help them in the long run. And before I leave off the stage, I would like to leave you all with a question. If you don't change the world now, who will? If not now, then when?